Okay guys, so today I'm doing a little review on a RadiWow R-108 radio. Now, I didn't fully open the box, so I've never seen this one in person, but I've just peeled open the siding a little bit. Here, okay, yeah. We're definitely going to close that now. So anyway, we're going to open this up. Oh, nice. It came in a bigger box, but by the way, do not open stuff the way I just did. But there's the front of the box. There's what we call the spine of the box. The back of the box. And the spine of the box. There's part of the spine. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about this. Usually my unboxing videos are way better than this. But here we go. We're going to pull this part open. If we pull this like this. Now, we're going to be presented with a nice little charger, USB charger, I'd say. Yep, USB. Oh, what's this? Oh, a nice little antenna. Well, I extended one. A wire antenna. We're going to have the radio itself, which we'll talk about in a moment. We have its instruction manual. And the nice little note. I think I brought a product similar to those, which I'll probably talk about in another video. This is the R-108. Oh, she looks beautiful. Looks so beautiful. We're going to take it out with its bubble wrapping. Very cautiously. I'm going to remove this part. I'm going to remove the back. Usually my reviews aren't like this. Nice.